Whether you bought a Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or Galaxy S10e, you have a powerful device in your hands. Galaxy S10 has so many features it's hard to figure out which one to play with first. Although you'll get to all of them eventually, it's best to start off with the basic but important features and settings listed in this video. So let us start. Show more notification icons and battery percentage. By default, the phones will only show 3 of the most recent notification icons and no battery percentage, so here's how to change it. Go to Settings. Then Notifications. Status bar. And tap on All Notifications. Now you'll be able to see multiple notification icons in the status bar instead of just 3. Below all notifications, you will see an option to toggle on Show Battery Percentage. Turn this on and it will be easier to gauge how much battery life you have left. Max out the screen resolution, S10 and S10 Plus only. The Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus have big, beautiful screens. Sadly, by default, they are set to a lower, Full HD Plus resolution, 2280 x 1080. You can leave the screen at this resolution if you want to conserve battery life, but swap it to WQHD Plus, 3040 x 1440, if you want the best experience possible. Go to Settings. Then Display. Screen resolution. And tap on the WQHD Plus option. You'll see there's also an HD Plus, 1520 x 720, option if you really want to save battery life. This setting does not exist for the Galaxy S10e, which only has a Full HD Plus, 2280 x 1440, resolution. Toggle on volume keys for media. Want to use the volume keys to control media volume by default? It's handy if you want to quickly adjust volume before playing a song or video on your phone, instead of only changing the volume after something has started playing. Go to Settings. Then Sounds and Vibration. And toggle on Use volume keys for media. You can also toggle this on by tapping on the volume rocker, and swiping down on the volume settings that pop up. Enable Smart Stay. Smart Stay is a feature that has been available in Galaxy phones for quite some time. Essentially, as long as your eyes are glued to the screen, the display won't time out and turn off. Turn on Smart Stay by heading to Settings. Then Advanced Features. Motions and Gestures and toggle on Smart Stay. Always show the always-on display. What's the point of an always-on display if it's not always on, right? By default, the always-on display, which shows the time, date, battery status, and notifications when your phone screen is off, isn't set to be on all the time. Here's how to change that. Go to Settings. Lock Screen. Then Always on Display. And scroll down to find and tap on Display Mode. Tap on Show Always to always see it. You can opt for Tap to Show, and the Always on display will pop up for 30 seconds. Or you can set it to show as scheduled. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.